Hey friends, Michael Gerard, Wildwood. Today I'm going to give you a walk around on our professional Santa Maria Grill. So you're looking at our 50-inch model. 50-inch model, this is going to be 40 inches deep. And your grilling surface is 44 inches wide by 30 inches deep. So on this one we've got 3 removable grills, and the V-groove system on this we've incorporated into the Santa Maria Grill grease collection tray that is built in. Okay, so all your drippings would drip off the rack into the grease collection channel, and then it's going to go down here and drain out through the drain hole, and that's going to end up in this grease collection drawer. So with the grease collection drawer, we have a stainless steel insert that is removable, and so typically the way it works at the end of the shift, they're going to just empty that into the grease clarifier. We have a cavernous storage area below, okay, so that can be loaded up with wood and or charcoal. Swivel locking wheels on both sides. And then you have the option of a folding shelf. This folding shelf is using 9-pan cutouts that are removable, but you can also order it with 6 pans. Or if you have a tight kitchen, just order it without the shelf, because some places it just takes up too much room. So we've really worked on the details of this grill. We really, with all of our products, you can tell they're always pretty sweet looking. So with this one, we've just focused in on some of the details, like the lock handle. We've polished it out, and then we've polished off the wheel as well. The roller bar is also polished, and we are using stainless steel chain on all of our lift systems with brass bushings. The removable rest area up top here is just excellent for holding things that you want to slow cook. And again, those are 3 separate removable panels that just remove and clean up very easily. Just on another note, you do have the option of ordering this with carbon steel V-grooves. I know a lot of the chefs out there prefer the carbon steel because once it's seasoned, it's kind of like your favorite cast iron pan. So it's just a different option. So again, this is a professional grade grill that's ETL certified, but that doesn't mean that you can't use it in your home. A lot of these, probably 50% of these grills that we produce, are sold to the end user who just wants something really badass at his home. So there you have it. So if you're really looking for a Santa Maria style grill, this is pretty much the pinnacle of Santa Maria grilling. And one thing I want to note is you do have the option of a Brasero, because this client needs, he didn't want the Brasero, but we can eliminate a grilling section and incorporate the Brasero on any of our models. So just keep in mind that that is an option. Okay friends, so there you have it. If you're ready for a Santa Maria grill, you can follow the links in the description below and reach out to us, and we're happy to help. Thanks for watching.